All right, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. We love that. So you wish for songs, and I bring them up here on Learning Guitar. So we have you. It's impossible to pronounce your name, pretty much. Mbisishoba, something like that. I don't know. But anyway, you wish for Ella Mai's Naked. So we're gonna look into this Naked song here, and we're gonna use a capo. That's the setup on the second fret, and with that, 4 simple chords. So let's go into this song from Ella Mai called Naked. So the chords will be E minor, A minor 7, C, and G with the capo here on the second. So let's start with the first chord, E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor 7, and that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is C, follows very easily after the A minor 7. You just add on the 3rd fret A string and keep everything else there, and that will give us 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G. Right? So that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. Okay, so we have the chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song when it comes to the chords. And with just the strumming, that will be just to roll it, everything in the same way. But when it comes to the melody, it changes here. So we're gonna look into the melody that covers 2 chord progression rounds, okay? So we're gonna start with E minor, and this part goes. Okay, so you're gonna start with open E in the bass together with open G, then 2nd G, then open B, and 3rd B. Okay, the next part is the A minor 7. It's just 1 kick, and it goes and a clap. So that will be to play open A together with open G and 1st B. Okay, 3 strings like that, and a clap. Then comes the C part, and it goes like this. So that is to play 3rd on A together with open G and 3rd B. And I suggest you do it with the index finger and the mid finger like this to start with. Then you're gonna hammer on the 5th B. So you don't pick that one, it has to go fast. So you just add on with a little pinky there. I'm using the pinky to get the 5th B. And then you go down with the mid finger used on the 3rd B. Sorry. And get the 3rd E, and then back to 3rd B. Okay, so that's how I do it, and you can use other fingers if you want to, but I just show you how I think is the easiest way. So okay, that's the C part, and then you have the G and a clap, and that is simply to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open G and open B, and a clap. So that is the first half of it, okay? So slowly goes like this. Second half will be to play the E minor and the A minor 7 part in the exact same way. So, and and then it slightly changes on the C and the G here in the second half of it. So the C part goes. Okay, so you're gonna start in the same way. You're gonna play the 3rd fret A together with 3rd B. Then you hammer on to the 5th B, and then 3rd high E. And then you slide up to 7th fret here. I use my little pinky to this position, and that's C part. And then the G part is simply to play. Stay on the 7th fret high E, and now give a kick on the 5th fret D string together with that 7th E. Okay, if you want to, you can just stay at that point. But and if you listen to the song here, it has some different endings, like that, or maybe something like that. It's just a bridge ending that covers the end there till the very next round. So you can add pretty much whatever you want at that point, or just stay on this grip here, the last G grip, and just give a down up kick there, whatever you want, just to have something that ends that G part. You can also just end with that and a big pause. It's up to you, okay? So that is the second half of it. So I'm gonna play through for you again the second half, and it goes like this, slowly. All right, and then just roll that melody till the very end. It goes over 2 chord progression rounds, like I said. You just roll it in the same way. All right, now into the strumming, and we're going to look into how to use this strumming pattern that parts 1 and part 2 covers 2 chords. Okay, so we're going to look into the first 2 chords, the E minor to the A minor 7. It goes like this. Okay, and then you just apply the same principles on the next 2 chords. So the first part, E minor, goes down, down, up, clap. Okay, so down, down, up, clap. And then you switch chord to A minor and play down, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Okay, and then you play the same for C and G. So C is played in the same way as E minor, the down, down, up, clap, and then G in the same way as the A minor, down, down, clap, down. So C, G goes like this. And there you have 1 chord progression. So a couple of rounds with this strumming goes like this. Alright, I took off there, guys. Just playing around. Now you have the melody, you have the strumming, you can do it your own way. That is how you handle Ella Mai's Naked. So I hope you would love that, yeah, whatever your name is, and all you Ella Mai fans. This is Goring Guitar playing on Wednesday. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can wish for songs there and get your specific song on Wednesdays. That's a great opportunity. So take that chance. Till next time, play tuned.